Hey guys, welcome to Cook Step by Step. Today we're making a quick grape juice cocktail. This is going to be a gin meloncello grape juice drink. It's super easy. All you need is gin, one shot of it, just a shot, and this super amazing, delicious meloncello liquor, one shot. It smells and tastes amazing. And then the rest, about half a cup of the grape juice, and then close the top and shake. And I said half a cup because we're gonna be adding some ice, and the ice already has half a cup of club soda, so we just pour our drinks in the club soda and we have a fizzy, bubbly, delicious summer drink ready to take down by the pool and enjoy. I hope you like this quick video. Give it a thumbs up and I'll see you next time.